He's Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're two do-it-yourselfers who met on a sailboat in 1988. 3 houses and 4 boats later, we're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey.
We are up at the boat. Going to do a little bit of work to get the air conditioning pump for the media room reinstalled permanently. It's been in a test configuration for, I don't know, it's like a month now. And then we're just going to do some straightening up of the boat because we really haven't done anything. Life's been so busy with so many other things right now, but hopefully in the next few weeks it'll all settle down. There's Miss Jeannie. She looks thrilled to be here, doesn't she?
I'm crying.
Why are you crying?
Allergies.
Oh.
Allergic to boat work.
Yeah, obviously allergic to going back to the boat. Okay, anyway, get some stuff done here maybe. Later. Hold it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. The screw going in crooked, or coming out crooked. Right. Nope.
This thing's awfully wiggly.
So on this IWAKI pump, for whatever reason, they decided to put 2 this and this mounting point, which as soon as we put it in, well, the pump did that because the only way you get it to be stable would be to have it very tightly or rigidly mounted. And maybe they make an isolation bushing or something for it that covers the entire area. Well, I don't have that isolation bushing. Defender didn't sell that isolation bushing as far as I know. So, you know, you can't just have the pump sitting like that. It defeats the point. So I ended up drilling 2 additional holes in order to be able to securely mount this, and then I'll put a grommet on each one of those, an isolation grommet, and then an isolation grommet on the other side here so that the vibration of the pump does not get transferred to the entire boat. But in my opinion, that's a very poor design on IKEA's Awaki. They should have had 4 holes there, or a bigger mounting platform with 4 holes.
Okay, let's get it installed.
Yeah.
It's going right there on that platform. The pump used to be what?
Right here.
16 inches, 18 inches higher.
Yeah, but that was right at
That's at water level?
Yeah. And so if our water level gets a tiny bit higher, which apparently we're floating maybe a little higher right now, you couldn't prime the pump properly. If we're this far out of the water, we've lost the top of the boat maybe. Now I need another screw.
Do you have another grommet, or are they?
No, I need another grommet too.
Okay, let me get another grommet. This is what I do. I go and get it.
Yeah, screw.
I didn't take you with me the first 25 times. I've been up and down the stairs today.
You'd like to change roles.
Nope, you're the doer, I'm the getter. We can do that.
Okay. You don't lose up. Pop.
Ow.
Jeez.
Dangerous work.
Okay. I'm gonna stick this guy through the countertop.
Gotta find it first. Okay. Keep going.
Yep, keep going. Okay. Go. Yeah, that's on there quite good. There it goes. Okay, I'm cutting it here, so I have.
Okay, measure twice.
Yeah. Come on. Go all the way on. Okay. It's pretty good. Okay. Push the hose in. Okay, and we turn the water back on for that air conditioner. Close the lid down. Okay. And then go turn the air conditioner on for the media room.
Alright. HVAC. Media room. Breaker's on. Down in here. Yeah?
Look outside by the door and see if there's a stream of water.
It's on the port, starboard side.
On the port side, yeah.
Port.
air conditioner come on?
Yeah.
Oh, flip the port. Yeah, there it goes.
What are you doing, honey?
We are cutting baseboards for the Maslow, which is a CNC. These are the support boards for holding the wood in place when you cut it.
We bought this Maslow 5 years ago.
Yeah, something like that.
We haven't really used it. You did some practice stuff on it. Bill's gonna try to use it to cut the pieces for the bed frame in forward bedroom on the boat. But we just got eaten by mosquitoes, so we want to go in and take care of that.
Yep.
Later. We came up to work on the boat.
The bed.
The bed.
In the forward bedroom. Got everything unloaded. Now we're recovering from the heat. It's like a bazillion degrees here. Not in the boat. Boat has nice air conditioning, so. Oh, you ready to get busy?
No, I'm just showing how we work on the boat these days.
That's right. Yeah. This is us. This is us hard at work. We finished the media room and we're enjoying the media room.
Later.
Later. This is one of the back braces for the bed.
What are we doing today, honey?
We are back working on the bed, and since I don't know the exact angle, we're actually putting some hinges on here so that we can angle the board and figure out what our actual dimensions are for the support boards and the end board. Positioning this hinge board on, pencil, put the circles in.
Okay.
Marking it for drilling. Try to get the drill somewhat centered on my holes. Now, drop this guy in, and then the other side will end up Craig screwing in place. But we'll do that once we're in the bedroom.
So we're in our media room / workshop, because every room becomes a workshop.
Yeah, isn't that the truth? Okay, now we can move that piece in. We're now going to take our mock-up out and we'll move in the real wood and see what we think of it. We've done everything out of foam.
Yeah, I think that would hold us.
Uh-huh. Well, that's some big wood.
Yeah. Just fill it in with foam, have a solid foam piece.
That's right.
And then cut out cubbies.
Oh, there goes the rocket.
Can you see it from our porthole?
No, probably not.
Where are you, Rocket? It's a very cloudy day. I don't see it.
Cool. Whoa! Oh, we had a landing. Wow. Okay, well, there's the start of the bed frame. Playing around with positioning. I think the way we designed this is we have 4-inch overhangs. So yes, this actually comes out this way 4 inches and that goes that way 4 inches. So I think I'm gonna have to cut that board so we get a better relationship before we do the final positioning. Back up here at Blue Sky, we cut out the top board for the bed, lay it on there, see how it looks, decide if we have the proper width, we need to cut a little more off or whatever. This was cut like the other pieces with our old Maslow CNC Actually purchased it back in 2019 sometime, but we used it a little bit on the boat, but it never worked correctly, so quit playing with it. I mean, it was more user error, but now I've had some time to set it up, so we're slowly getting to the point where we're getting some successful cuts and stuff out of it. Anyway, we're gonna go lay this out and see how it works.
Okay,
Later.
let's go. Does it fit? It's a little short, honey. So that's cut out of 4x8.
Yeah, kind of
All right, looking good.
Yeah.
It's still gonna have
Supports going through, yes. The drawers have to have something to hook onto.
Right.
Cool. Oh, and all the grooves are through it are to let air up through the mattress. CNC made it very easy cutting those out.
All right, looks good.
Yep. This is going to be a little bitty nightstand. Yeah, it's going to come up to about here and have a little bitty drawer. And then over there we have the angled one. Same thing. Obviously the drawer can't go as back as far because your drawer will hit the angled wall that you're going back into. But it's about the same depth as this one, but on the angle. Bed's slowly coming together. Too bad we're going to have to stop work here in a few days. Later. Okay, well there is the end on the bed.
Oh,
Oop, I guess we're a little big. Bummer. How'd that happen? Where's the tape measure? Well, we're a tiny long, so we can cut some off up there maybe. And 71. Huh.
70
and quarter, 70 and a half maybe.
how much do you
It's
need to
over
take
here.
off?
Well, it looks like about 3/4 of an inch. We could do 3/8 here and 3/8 there. You gotta get the track saw to do that one.
And we don't have that here.
No, we're taking all this home at some point for you to stain.
Right.
So that's when we'll do that. Okay, okay. So now we need to disassemble stuff. Hello, we are back up here at Blue Sky and we are again working on the bed here just before I go in for my refit, which we will talk about more I guess when I have my refit. Anyway, we just cut down the end board for the bed there, and that cutout there is for the little laundry hamper, and now we just need to trim a little bit off of the mattress support so that the door can actually close. So we're going to use the track saw, take this piece and the other board with the slats back to the back and trim it down. And then we're going to start putting this all together, at least temporarily, with some Kreg screws and stuff, and cut these guys down to their final size, also with hopefully their angles. But at least that's kind of the plan at the moment. So anyway, that's what we're going to do for the next hour or so. Later.
Will the chain locker hit? And
Look at
it's
that.
here.
Yeah.
And there's the end of the bed. There's going to be a teeny tiny little place to store stuff in there.
Well, laundry. I thought it was the laundry thing.
Yeah, we'll see what it ends up
Yeah.
being.
Okay.
So this side's solid. We've got a skinny little walkway. And then there's drawers on that side. All we need now is a mattress and
Well,
some supporting
center
pieces.
supports, yeah.
Yeah.
So. That's
Are
what
we
can start
doing
with
those?
next, is put a
We're
support
not doing
piece in.
those tonight, are we?
I thought we'd play around with this first one here, at least.
Okay.
And that's also drawer support. So the drawer slide rails will be on that, and then we'll go out there, and then we'll have another one, and then there's 3 more supports to go in. 1, 2, yeah, 3 more. So 3 more supports, and then all the infrastructure or the strength of the bed is the pieces are all there. But we'll do that tomorrow. Later.
Later.
Later. Anyway, we're going to take the next board, set it here, and instead of trying to hold it level with this, it can go up against this, and then we'll put it over there, mark it, and then take it back to the back and cut it off, and then we'll do this one, and then we'll do this one. Actually, we could mark all of them now.
Okay.
This little system.
This is the last support board. Oh, perfect.
You can get on here with me with this. That's what twins for, right? Two people.
The twins.
Having issues there, see? This works just fine. Okay, we have a bed. Move aboard today.
I feel like it's lower here.
We don't have pillows. Go get some pillows. Well, the boat could be going that way. I don't know. Oh yeah. Your hair crunchy thing smashed me in my glasses. It makes a big difference if we're laying flat on our back. Actually, two filled it in. Almost. Okay. That's good.
Put your arms down. One of us moves.
Quite a bit in bed. Make us spending a lot of my nights sleeping on the chairs out there. Motivates us to get the master done.
Feel free to share this video with your friends and smash that subscribe button.